Welcome to the making of 24 Hours at Penn Station. I'm Robert, and I'm the maker of 24 Hours at Penn Station, and someone asked me, how did I make this movie? Let's take you through the nitty-gritty. First off is the background image. This was an actual photograph, so I took this particular image, and using manipulation software, like GIMP, actually it was GIMP, I transformed it into what you see here. The dark areas are actually transparent, and they were actually covered over and filled in with flat panel images. Now these flat panel images were actually based on actual flat panels, and I took video of them, like this one here. Now keep in mind that this one, the camera I used doesn't have any sound, but you can get the effect of the sound, the sound of the flipping. The original flat panel images that I created from those videos stood in at a resolution of 1296 by 153, way too big to be used in the project, which was planned to be only 1024 by 768. So I shrunk these down, modified them so that they were only 254 by 30. Much tinier, but better suited for use in the project. Putting it all together, I used Microsoft Visual Basic, which can be downloaded for free at Microsoft.com, and I put together a little application, which I'm going to demo for you right now. It takes the images from this images folder and saves to this screenshots folder. Now I'm going to run the app, switch into seamless mode here. This is VirtualBox here that I'm running Windows 7 under here on the Mac. So I'm going to set my time, the time display up here on the top here, to 12:01 a.m. which actually 12 midnight. We'll start at 12 midnight because that's the time that the video starts. The first departure is at 12:01. Got a nice little system here, and it's of course an off-peak. And this particular train goes to Babylon, stopping at Woodside, Forest Hills, Kew Gardens, Jamaica, Rockville Center, Baldwin, Freeport, Merrick, Belmore, Wantagh, Seaford, Massapequa, Massapequa Park, Amityville, Copiague, Lindenhurst, and Babylon. Now what I would do is I'm gonna make a screenshot, move this out of the frame here, and hit the spacebar, and it'll make a screenshot. And then I would go 12:01. Same deal. Now that it's after 12:01, now that it's actually 12:02, I would need the info for the next train, which would be the 12:14 to Ronkonkoma. Ronkonkoma, stopping at Jamaica. Have to scroll through to find Jamaica. Mineola, Hicksville, Bethpage, Farmingdale, Wyandanch, Deer Park, Brentwood, Central Islip, Ronkonkoma. Change of Jamaica for Far Rockaway. And change of Jamaica for West Hempstead. Scroll, make a screenshot of that one. And so on. 1203. Screenshot. Etc. So that's basically the application. Now all these images were saved to the screenshots folder inside. And they were eventually imported into the Mac and into iPhoto. And these are all of the images that were generated using this method, and all of these images were then imported into iMovie, where, as you will see in a moment as iMovie loads, I took each of these frames one by one, imported them all into iMovie, and set them all. I decided before the designing of this movie that I would have these frames going at 6 minutes, 6 simulated minutes per second. Alright. Now once we're in iMovie and we have all the images imported, I have all these nice little text images here, and a little bit of trickery actually, because when you import a still image into iMovie, the smallest amount of time you can set a still for is 5 frames. And as you can see here, I have it set for 3 frames. The way I did this is actually to put it in as 5 frames and then trim 2 frames from this particular image. And as you can see, this is just the beginning. This is just the actual flipping of well, let's just play it.
1201 local train to Babylon, track 20, making stops at Woodside, Forest Hills, Kew Gardens, Jamaica, Rockville Center, Baldwin, Freeport, Merrick, Belmore, Wantor, Seaford, Massapequa Park, Amityville, Copeg, Lindenhurst, and Babylon.
And there you go. And the sounds that you hear throughout are actually included with iLife, except for the ones that I've recorded. The announcer guy at the beginning and at the end announcing this 1201 local train to Babylon, as well as one that occurs at 4:25 p.m., which I'm scrolling to now. Now that was recorded using the original Griffin IFM that connected to the 4th generation iPod using the accessory port. It recorded nicely. The other live recordings that I did were done using the iPhone. Like this one.
It is 1201, all aboard, track 20, all aboard.
And there you go. That's basically how I made 24 Hours at Penn Station. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And maybe I got a little bit too deep with the details, but that's okay. Like I said, it's all included in iLife, and once again, thank you for watching.